Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. And first of all, congratulations to all the candidates who have successfully cleared the TCS NQT exam and got shortlisted for the TCS Ninja, TCS Digital, or TCS Prime interviews. And to those who could not make this time, don't lose hope. Your time will come and definitely come. I wish you all the best for your future attempts. Recently, I noticed that many of YouTube channels, and I heard from my friends that TCS has started announcing the results in various colleges. I also received a lot of requests to make a video that exclusively covers the TCS Ninja interview experiences. So I took some time to collect the real-time experiences, and here it is. This is the sheet that covers all the interview experiences from previous batches, that is exclusively for the TCS Ninja candidates. So the duration of the TCS Ninja interview is maximum is 30 minutes and minimum duration is 20 minutes, and it is experience 1. There are two rounds are there. The first round is the technical round and the second round is managerial plus HR round. So in technical round experience 1, they asked so ID proof, then self introduction, then which language you are comfortable. Either you can say Java or Python or C or something else. So maybe he or she said C. So he asked structure and pointer definition, what is a loop, and Armstrong number code writing, and difference between while and do while. That's all about the technical round of experience 1. Then he moved to the managerial plus HR round. So in managerial round, they asked, how do you rate yourself as a manager from 1 to 5 scale, and why? You can sort the interview questions of HR round in Google, and they ask about why TCS, why not other company. So before you going to the interview, you have to read all the details about TCS, who is the vice president, who is the CEO, established year, all the things. So CEO of TCS, vice president of TCS, why IT sector? You can search it in Google, and willing to work with TCS for 5 years. And that's all about experience 1. Then moving to experience 2, it is the technical round for off campus. First, they ask the ID proof, then the self introduction, then the academic details because it is not mentioned in the resume. Then college name, any training or certification done. If you have done any training or certification, they may ask question regarding that. So be prepared. So what to do? What do you know about TCS? And do you know about the service agreement? Know about the background verification? Comfortable with any shift? Comfortable to any location? These are the technical round of the off-campus role, TCS Ninja role. And then he moved to the managerial plus HR round. Then in manager round, they ask for ID. Then second, what is meta tag in HTML? Write HTML code which will show that the TCS website when click. They ask write the HTML code which will show the TCS website when click. There is a paper below, you have to write the code there. What is tag and element in HTML, and change the background color of industries which is there in company's website they are showing to some other colors by inspecting. Okay, the main question is regarding that they showed a website, and by inspecting you have to change the color of the background color of the industries. So oops polymorphism with example. Then what is redundancy and what happen if redundancy occur in data? It is the DBMS question. What is the name of Java at first and why it changed? Can you comfortably in Pan India location? And this is all about the experience 2. So moving towards the experience 3, it is technical plus managerial plus HR round. They ask self-introduction, then about project details, then about OOPS concept details with real-time examples, and cloud computing question details, and strengths and weaknesses, why TCS, and any question for them. Then it is experience 4. They ask the self-introduction, normalization and types, and global and local variable difference, three-tier architecture, and OOPS concept like inheritance, encapsulation, and polymorphism. You have to study all the 4 OOPS concept pillars and with their real-time examples. Managerial plus HR round, they ask situation-based questions like how to handle the conflicts, how to handle the work pressure, and like these 3 to 4 questions are there. So then why TCS willing to relocate, any backlogs and gap, any question for them. Then it is the experience 5, technical round, about self introduction, then college ID, then project related question, then difference between C and Java, then F about OOPS pillars like inheritance, encapsulation, polymorphism, and data abstraction. All the details with real time examples. What is the main aim of OOPS? Explain OOPS in details with example. What are the language using OOPS concept? Constructor class, call by value and call by difference. Sorry, call by value and call by reference difference. Then difference between static variable and local variable. Do you have subject in your syllabus? That is favorite subject in your syllabus, and ask question regarding them. And any question for me? That's all about the technical round. Then managerial plus HR round. Self introduction, strengths and weakness. Where you see adaptability, any situation in your life, you have to give the practical example in a situation. So where you can see the adaptability. So about the relocation, do you know about the bond? Any question for them? That's all about the experience 5. All the interview experiences that was asked to the candidates in 2024 batch in TCS Ninja interview. So for regarding tips, knowing all the details of your resume is must. And in every experience, you can see the OOPS question with example. So be prepared with OOPS definition, OOPS pillars with their definition and with example, and DBMS operating system and specific language knowledge. If you are proficient in Java, please read all the details of Java or C or Python, all the details you can read it from the interview experiences that are available in Google. Basic coding questions like Armstrong number, Fibonacci, factorial, or prime number. These are the basic coding questions you can search for it. And all the details of TCS, like the established year, all the details, why you want to work in TCS, what you will do after 5 years, all the managerial questions you can read it from the interview experiences that is available on Google. Then situation based question like how to handle the conflicts, how you solve a misunderstanding in your workplace, like this type of question you have to cover in your during the preparation of interview. So I have shared all the important details in the video. So thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe my channel. Thank you.